try something?
Sweet potatoes.
Mmm. See? She promised. She hates all baby food. Make her You don't like any of these? Sweet potatoes are supposed to be yummy. You ate those? They're good. Why don't you Why don't you like any of your baby food? Oh, you hate that? Alright. We'll make you eat more.